Work, work, work. It seems like all you ever do is work. Well, looks like you're doing a little daydreaming too. Let's take a look at what's on your mind. Ah, I see. Looks like you want to do some travel. Exotic places like Europe, Asia, and maybe even Canada. How bold. Well, if you're going to travel outside the US, you're going to need a passport. The good news is you can get one at the Clerk of the Court's office. We process thousands of passports each year, and as an additional service to our customers, and if you're applying for your first passport, we're going to lay out the steps to help you get started. Here's what you're going to need to make your process as smooth as possible. A passport application form, Form DS-11 to be exact. Gotta love paperwork, right? And you gotta fill out that paperwork in black ink only. An original proof of citizenship document. An acceptable photo ID document. Naturalization papers if you're a naturalized citizen. A photocopy of the front and back of the photo ID document on plain, white, 8.5 by 11 paper. A passport photo. And a way to pay 2 separate fees. A few things to keep in mind. At the clerk's office, all passport applications must be completed in person. This applies to children as well. For children's passports, both parents must be present with the child, or there must be a certified court order or notarized consent form if one parent is missing. Your passport photo must be shot specifically for your passport. There's special regulations for it, and you can get your passport photo done at multiple stores and even at some post offices. So sorry, that selfie you took during your hike last Saturday just won't work. Alright, let's talk fees. To process the application, the clerk's office charges a mandatory $35 execution fee. The clerk's office will accept cash, credit card, or money order for the payment of that fee. However, the fees for the U.S. Department of State, which can vary depending on if you want a passport book, a passport card, or both, must be paid by a separate check or money order only. This means there will be 2 separate payments. So you bring in all that paperwork and you pay all those fees. How long do you have to wait? Well, applications are mailed from the clerk's office via priority mail and arrive at the Department of State within 2 or 3 days. However, processing times for the Department of State may vary. We recommend booking an appointment to apply for a passport, which you can do by visiting our website, clerkofthecourt.maricopa.gov/passport. If you need more information on some of that paperwork you need to bring to prove your identity or citizenship, check out the U.S. Department of State's website, or the Clerk of the Court's website, or give us a call. We're always happy to help.